beach and Courtney throws a piece of her sandwich. And we get bombarded by all these birds coming down. No! They're just hovering.
That one kind of scares me.
There was one, and in a matter of 20 seconds, we have about 50 surrounding us. Shoot! Shoot! Oh no! They freak me out when they get up, dude. If I get shit on, I swear to God. Yeah, they're going away now. Go follow them. All of you go. Go! Learn your lesson?
Feed that one little one. So cute, just sitting there next to it.
They're crazy. You crazy? You took the whole sandwich?
I
Behind us, let's throw it at them. This one keeps getting up close and personal.
Get away!
They don't care.
Nana, what do you got in your sandwich?
I wish I had a BB gun. You can eat your other sandwich if I had a BB gun. What did I brought cereal. Don't feed him, Captain Crunch.
I'm not gonna feed him, Captain Crunch. I want to go eat.
Those like some colorful treats.
Really blow up.
Go away. Shoot.
It's rice.
You don't want to kill him. You think devoured that sandwich.
Good. Little fuckers. I was enjoying my sandwich. They just like, they were about to take out my hand.
Yeah, I know. One of them like dove at you. Alright.
Look like the bird people. These seem pretty.
If I get pecked by a bird, Courtney Bell is to blame. I want everyone to know this. Everyone can blame her.
I want my fucking
Especially if she
sandwich,
feeds
but they're gonna like.
if she chews them
I'm gonna
tight,
smoke
eat
a cigarette
more.
instead.
Yeah,
Let me turn on some music.
yeah. I'll get the iPod out.